So capital growth is one of the best ways to actually grow your wealth fairly quickly and fast. Now, what is capital growth and how does it work? A lot of clients ask me this question: how can they actually grow their capital? The reality is that there's different ways of doing it, and we will definitely want to share with you in our future podcasts about different strategies. A lot of people think it's about timing because property has cycles, and buying property in the right time, whether the market's going up or going down or selling, is one of the strategies. But there is a way that you can actually unlock value in property through either subdivision, development, or even just renovating. And you can add actually value very quickly. Now, I had two friends recently in their mid-20s coming to see me about the possibility of investing. They're first home buyers wanting to purchase property, and their idea was just to buy any property in the outer suburbs and hope by investing now the cycles will go up and down, and eventually they'll actually make capital growth. And after discussing with them the different options of actually growing their wealth, they were quite interested and keen about looking at subdividing. So I said, well, the best way for us to do it is to actually talk to buyer's agents, and we've got Ashley and Rose as part of our buyer's agency, and we've gone through the strategy, and they were quite excited to actually go and find the right property for them. Now, after eliminating a few properties, they discovered there's a fantastic property they were able to purchase for these guys within 3 weeks. And the property has got the potential to subdivide within 6 to 8 months, where they'll basically just cut off the back side of the block, sell it for over $300,000 and make a couple of $100,000 within a year. The excitement in these young guys were just exhilarating, and it's one of the things that motivates me also at Perthgrow, how we actually help people and see how their lives are developing and actually becoming better and better through using the right strategies. The exciting thing, I think, for me, it is knowing that there are so many ways, and not every way is going to work for every person or everybody. So it's finding the right strategy and plan that actually works for you that excites me. So if you are keen to find out more about how you can actually grow your wealth through capital growth, then all you have to do is just reach out. Give me a call. Our number is on our website, perthgrow.com.au, and we'll have a chat.